Hoover wants to find his gift. I know. Where's your gift, Hoover?
Why do you think you have a present?
Do you think you have... He knows this is Christmas. It cracks me up.
Why do you think you have a present?
Hoover, I ate all your gifts.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Oh, Hoover.
Well, where is it? Go find it. Go find your gift.
What?
Go find it. Where is it? Oh.
You have one?
Where is it?
You know where is this?
I have no idea. Santa hides all that stuff. It's in there. He'll find it.
Oh, is that really it? Where?
Where is it, Hoover?
Which is, that's it right there?
Make sure it has his name on it. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's weird. He knew that was it. That's what he's trying
That's the one he got?
Yeah.
Good dog!
Hoover's a smart dog.
Rip it open! Pull it!
Get it.
Pull it away! Rip it up!
There you go.
There. We'll leave him alone. Give him a second.
Get it.
Open your gift.
Open it. Open it.
How does he find his gift at all the presents?
You want help? What's it?
Oh, he can do it.
He can do it! Let's just leave him alone for a little while.
Open it.
Okay.
Hoover, open it up.
Well, let's leave it.
No,
Here, open it. Come here. Come on, open up your gift.
Come on.
Everybody got mad when he kept doing that.
Come on. Bite it. Bite it. Hoover, bite it.
Oh, boy.
Bite it and shake it around.
Okay, just let
Bite it.
See, he can't, it
Use
can't,
your
it
mouth.
moves. He can't hold it and open it.
We'll hold the other end of it and let him get it.
There, because he was
Dog.
not going to open the present. He's not.
Party pooper.
Silly dog.
There, look at that.
Oh, now, look. Oh, now.
Get it, Hootie.
Yeah.
I got it. Hold on, dude. Hold on, hold on. I like to
Will,
see it.
just leave it.
Down in the package. He needs somebody to hold one.
There you go. Good job, Hoover.
Can you get it out?
Oh, my
I
goodness.
got it.
You are a smart dog.
Can you get that for him? He wants to play with it. Let's not take a half an hour working on it. Just help him out.
He's like, I got this.
Yeah. Look, watch this.
He's trying. Well, just let him drag that around. It's a lot quieter than getting out all the squeakies already.
He's going to tear up his stuff trying to get to that. Oh, hold on. Here, look. Whoa. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on.
Hoover.
Hoover, wait.